The TDRFORCE bottled water dispensing system is a veritable oasis of convenience. A silent but tireless servant that transforms the mundane task of hydration into a seamless experience. Imagine a stream of crystal clear water, effortlessly drawn from the very heart of a 5-gallon jug, ready to quench your thirst and invigorate your day. This ingenious device, with its compact and sleek design, slips effortlessly into any space, whether it's perched on a kitchen counter or nestled beside a refrigerator. Indeed, it is a testament to modern engineering, a marvel that bridges the gap between raw utility and elegant simplicity. Furthermore, its automatic operation is a gentle nudge towards a healthier lifestyle, and because it delivers water on demand, it ensures you never have to strain or struggle with heavy containers again. The TDRFORCE bottled water dispensing system is not merely a machine. Rather, it is a personal water concierge, always on standby, and always ready to serve you with a refreshing draught. Moreover, this dispensing system is a silent but powerful force, a quiet revolution in home water consumption. It operates with a hushed efficiency, its internal pump a diligent heart that beats only when called upon. And it dispenses water with a quiet grace. In addition, its compatibility with various water jugs makes it a versatile companion for any household. And it is a perfect solution for those who rely on bottled water for their hydration needs. Therefore, this system is a powerful metaphor for ease and accessibility. A clear and flowing example of how technology can simplify our lives without creating unnecessary noise or complexity. It is truly a fountain of convenience, a wellspring of refreshment, and an indispensable part of any modern kitchen. Consequently, the TDRFORCE bottled water dispensing system ensures that a cool glass of water is never more than a simple touch away, and it is a reliable and steady provider of life-giving liquid. Ultimately, the TDRFORCE bottled water dispensing system is a beacon of practical innovation, a solution that addresses a common problem with elegance and efficiency. It is a harmonious blend of form and function, a device that looks as good as it performs, and it provides a steady flow of water for drinking, cooking, and even for your ice maker. On the other hand, it is also a wise investment in your well-being, for it encourages consistent hydration, and it makes it easy to maintain a healthy habit. Thus, the system is a small machine with a big impact, a quiet hero in the landscape of kitchen appliances. In conclusion, the TDRFORCE bottled water dispensing system stands as a testament to thoughtful design and user-centric engineering. And it is a brilliant and effortless way to enjoy pure, fresh water whenever you desire it. Pros: easy to install, good price, affordable alternative, good for long distance and high installations, no complaints, does what it's supposed to do without issues, not loud enough to cause disturbance, good value, working perfectly for what I need, super easy hookup, works well. Best RV modification, best gadget ever. Cons: not a quiet pump, cannot find a bucket larger than 5 gallons, must switch off to change bottles. Doesn't last long term, expensive to mail back for replacements. Features: 5-gallon water jug dispenser, automatic bottled water pump, water dispensing pump system, drinking water pump, 5-gallon fridge dispenser, ice maker water dispenser, TDRFORCE brand. Easy to use, compact design, bottled water machine. The TDRFORCE 5-gallon water dispenser pump is an automatic, compact, and easy-to-use system designed to dispense water from 5-gallon jugs. This versatile machine can be used as a drinking water pump, a bottled water dispenser, or a pump for a fridge ice maker, making it a convenient solution for various water dispensing needs. The TDRFORCE 5-gallon water jug dispenser pump is a great Affordable alternative for dispensing water, especially for RVs or high installations. It is easy to install and set up, and users report that it works perfectly and does what it's supposed to do without issues. The pump is not loud enough to be a disturbance and offers good value for its price. However, some users have noted that the pump is not completely quiet, cannot be used with buckets larger than 5 gallons, must be switched off to change bottles, and may not be a long-term solution. Additionally, replacing the unit can be expensive due to mailing costs.